Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad and unplug it from any power source. Next, locate the battery release latch at the bottom of the laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Be sure to keep track of these screws as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Gently work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery compartment. Disconnect the battery connector by gently lifting it from the motherboard. It's essential to do this carefully to avoid any damage. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, remove the screws holding the battery in place. Make sure to note the size of the screws, as they may differ from one model to another. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Now is a good time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated inside your laptop. Before inserting the new battery, ensure it's compatible with your Lenovo ThinkPad model. Place the new battery into the compartment, aligning it correctly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. You should hear a subtle click when it's securely in place. Next, replace the screws that hold the battery in place, ensuring they're tightened but not over-tightened. Replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear it snap into place. Then, secure the back panel with the screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. You won't have to worry about any calls or travel, just schedule a time that works for you. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkPad and check if the new battery is recognized. You can do this by navigating to the battery settings in the control panel. If the battery appears, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your battery. If not, make sure all connections are secure. If you encounter any issues or prefer to have a professional handle it, we can provide a quote before any repair work is done. Your laptop's performance is crucial, and we're here to help you keep it running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.